Well, I want to thank Lisa Murkowski for leading the effort to correct what is clearly an ambiguous part of the law, which in the case of Senator Stevens was exploited. Ted Stevens was such a friend to me and someone who welcomed me into the Senate and was so helpful all along the way in my career. He also was a hero in World War II and was devoted to not only Alaska and America, but to the military of our country. It is sad to so many of us who knew him and in whose lives he was a part, that his legacy was marred by the actions of overzealous attorneys engaged in prosecutorial misconduct. The report that has been released today, and I haven't been able to see it in full, but have just been told that it is a stunning report that Judge Sullivan ordered to be done. The report states that the investigation and prosecution of Senator Stevens was permeated by the systematic concealment of significant exculpatory evidence. Judge Sullivan has even stated after reviewing the report that he had never seen mishandling and misconduct like what had happened in this case. When these facts came to light, the Attorney General did dismiss the case, which was on appeal. It is dismissed, but when I asked the questions of the Attorney General this week about where those people were, he said he thought they were still in the Justice Department, and in fact, at least some of them are still in the prosecutorial role. Senator Murkowski's bill, which I am co-sponsoring along with a number of Democrats as well as Republicans, does give clarity to an area of the law that almost invites the type of behavior that plagued this case. The Fairness and Disclosure of Evidence Act that Senator Murkowski is leading requires prosecutors to disclose all materials that reasonably appear to be favorable to the defendant and all information, data, documents, evidence, or objects regardless of their admissibility in court. And it specifies that disclosure must be in a timely fashion. I think it is very important that our public integrity unit of the Department of Justice be seen to be fair and supportive of our system of justice. And most certainly the misconduct in this case, I hope, results in the people who were found to have not acted fairly would no longer be in the Justice Department at all. I think that taints the Justice Department. And the Attorney General is going to have to report to the committee that is the oversight of the Justice Department what his handling of these cases will be after the report that has come to light today is digested by the Justice Department. And it is my hope that no one in public office or private life will ever have to endure what Ted Stevens did and his family, and I'm only sorry that he died before he could see the results of this investigation. Thank you.